the sum, how to find out the difference, how to do the product. We studied about that all things. I told you how to do that all things. Okay, now we'll solve the exercise part today. Okay, before we start, we'll start with a short prayer. Children, all of you say with me. Okay, fold your hand, close your eyes. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकालेषु सर्वदा. Okay, we are praying to the Lord for our wellness and for our academics. We are praying to the Lord. Okay, now we'll start with our exercise now. Okay, all of you open your book. Page number 23, children. All of you open page number 23. Exercise number. Exercise 1.3. Okay. In this exercise, we solve the round off numbers. What I said in the previous class. First, we have to round off. After that, we have to add, or after that, we have to find the difference. Yes, I told you how to find out the difference, how to find out the sum, and how to find out the product also. Yes, we did it. Okay. On that only, they given some of the problems. We'll solve it and revise it about estimation. First one, first main. Estimate each of the following using general rule. What they are telling? Round off the number using general rule. Okay, simple rule. First one, first problem. 730 plus 998. Okay, what you have to do first? First round off the numbers. After that, add. Okay, 730 rounded off to what? Nearest 100 we are rounding off. Rounded off to 800. Next one. Yes, 800 or 700. What? Rounded off to what, children? 700. Sorry. It is rounded off to 700 because we have a 730 there. So it is rounded off to 700. We are rounding off to tens. After that, 998 rounded off to 1000. Why 1000? Tell me. Because we have a 98 here, we have a 30. So it is rounded off to 100, 1000 and 700. So now after this we have to add. For bigger number I will write first. After that, now add 0, 0, 7, 1. What we got? 1700. The estimated answer. The estimated sum is equals to 1700. Understood now? Now we'll move on to the second problem. Please copy this, children. All of you copy this one in your classwork book. Now the second one. Second problem, B1. Estimation here they given a difference because minus we have middle. Okay. 796 minus 314. Okay. So we have to first estimate 96 rounded off to 800. Why 800? Because we have 96 here. 314 rounded off to 300 only. Why 300? We have here 40. It's not above 50. So after this we have to subtract 800 minus 300. What we got, children? 500. Estimated understood now how to solve? Okay, copy this one, children. Now third one, we'll move on to the third problem. If you not understand, please pause the video and see it carefully what I did on the board. After that write, okay? Don't write in confusion. Okay? Understood now? Okay. Third one. 12,904 plus 2,888. Okay? First we have to round off. 12,904. It's rounded off to what? Rounded off to what number? What we have to write here? It is rounded off to 13,000. Yes? And we have to round off to the nearer 1,000. Okay? Now, 22,888 rounded off to 3,000. Now add these two. What we get, children? Yes? Okay. Understood now how to do that? Okay. Why we rounded off to the 1,000? Because we have a more than 4 numbers. Here we have a more 4 and here we have a 5 number. So we have to round it off to thousands. We have to round off to the 1,000. So here we have a 12,900. Okay. 900. 900. It is more than 500. So it is rounded off to 3,000. That will be 13,000. Here we have a 2888. 888 will be the more than 500. So it will convert into what? The next number, that is 3,000. I will tell you how. The 2,000 is less than 2,888 is less than 3,000. 2,800 comes in between. 2,888 comes between 2,000 and 3,000. So which is nearer to that one? 2,888 is nearer to 3,000. So I did 3,000. Yes? Okay. The first one, I will do it. First one, 12,904 is nearer to 12,000 and it is nearer to 13,000. For which number it is nearer? 13,000. It is nearer to what? 13,000. We have to see that place, okay? Or else we have to see only this one number. For which number it is nearer? To the 3,000 it is nearer. Understood now how to write the estimation? After that we have to add. Now copy this one. Fourth one. We'll solve fourth problem. Fourth one. 28,292 minus 21,496. Okay. First we'll round off because both have a 5-digit numbers. Both have how many digit numbers? 5-digit numbers. Round off. Okay. I will tell you the detailed method for this. Okay. 28,292 is nearer to 30,000 and nearer to 20,000. Okay. It comes in between that. Okay. To which number it is nearer? To this number it is nearer. To which number it is nearer? Children, to that number or this number? Tell me. We have to do the... Okay. Okay. Which number it is nearer? For this or this? It is nearer to this number. So what we have to write here? 28,000. We are making it thousands. Okay, rounding off to the thousands. Next one, 21,496. Okay, 1,496. We have to take only these many places. Comes in between this or which number it comes in between this. So it becomes round off to okay. Yes, we have to see the thousands place when they give a more than 4 digit or the 4-digit numbers. After that, now subtract 28,000 minus 21 minus 0, 0, 0. 8 minus 1 will be 7. 0. So what we got? The estimated difference is 7,000. Okay, understood now? Now we finish the first main, children. Okay, please copy this one. If you not understand, make a rougher side here. Okay, please make a rougher side here and write how and in between which number it will come. Like I told you na, 8,292 comes in between 8,000 and 9,000. You have to make like this, then you will understand. Okay, you will understand that. Do like that if you not understand. In between which number it will come. Make it, okay, in the rougher side. Okay, all of you have to make a rough side in your maths text class workbook. Okay, copy this. We'll move on to the second main. Second main, and in the first main they given a one more thing, that is make 10 more such example of addition, subtraction and estimation of their outcomes. What you have to do? You have to make that. That is a homework for you children. Today's homework is first main. In the first main, the 10, that is the homework. Make 10 examples. Okay, on the addition, subtraction and the one more is estimation of their outcomes. Okay, you have to make this first main homework for you. Today's second main will solve it. That also will finish off. Second main, give a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest hundreds and also a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. Okay, what they are telling, we have to find out the estimation of the numbers. They given us some numbers, mix up of numbers, like they given a hundreds also, they given a thousands also, and they given a 10,000s also. What they are telling, round off to nearer tens and up to that hundreds. Both the additions and subtraction we have to do. Both the answers we have to give. Okay, we'll solve it one by one. Second main, first problem, 439 plus 334 plus 4,317. Okay, they given like this. What we have to do? We have to start rounding off. What we have to do? We have to start rounding off. First one, round off nearest 100. Nearest hundreds and tens. For both we have to find out, and for both two answers we have to give. They told we have to give two answers. So we'll solve it first. First, 439 rounded off to what? 440, and 334 rounded off to 330. Next one, 4,370 rounded off to 4,320. Okay, we did first one, we are rounding off to the tens. So we have to add these three. Add these three. What we get? Estimated sum is equals to, we get 5090. First answer it is. Estimation of a sum nearest tens, we got how much? 5090. Like this we have to estimate to the hundreds also. We have to estimate to the hundreds also. We'll do it up. I will solve it up. Estimation of next one. Same thing. 439 rounded off to, round off, only in short I will write, round off to 400. Nearest 100 I am doing here. Okay, this is nearest 10 and this is nearest 100. Next one, 334 round off to 300. Last one, that is 4370 rounded off to 4300. Okay, we got these many numbers. Okay, after that we have to add. After that we have to add. Add it, how much you will get? You will get 5000. See, arrange it in the systematic order. The bigger one will be first, after that second one and third one. The answer will come 0 0 7 0 0. What we get? 3 3 9 10 11 12 3 3 6 10 and 5. You will get 5000 here. Okay, estimated sum you will get that much for this. For tens you got this much. For hundreds, this is for hundreds. This is for tens. Okay, you got two answers. This is the first answer and this is the second answers. Two answers you will get. The first answers you got 5090. Second answers you got 5000. Like that we have to solve the remaining sums. 4 sums they given and they told that make such type of sums. Some more sums they told. After that we have a products. We'll solve it in the next class, children. Okay, please practice this. Make some more example on this only. By own you have to make. By own you have to make some more sums and write the answers like this, tens and hundreds. Okay, we'll see it in the next class, children.